I am Joseph from IG2102, and in today's video I will answer all the activities here in Chapter 2. Chapter 2 is entitled Configure as Network Operating System. A network operating system enables device hardware to function and provides an interface for users to interact. In the CCNA course of study, students learn to configure both devices to connect to the network and devices that connects networks together. Learning to configure the Cisco Internet Network Operating System on Cisco routers and switches is a large part of the Cisco CCNA program of study. So, Chapter 2 has 5 sections. Section 2.0 Introduction, Section 2.1 iOS Bootcamp, Section 2.2 Basic Device Configuration, Section 2.3 Hardware Schemes, and Section 2.4 the Software. So mainly in Chapter 2, you will learn how to use the Packet Tracer, and you will learn how to navigate the iOS and configure initial switch settings and implementing basic configuration. So now let's start answering the first activity here in Chapter 2, where it's here in Section 2.1 and 2.1.2.3. Here's the first activity. So, title of activity is access methods. Instructions: select the most appropriate access method for each scenario. Number 1, you are in the equipment room with a new switch that needs to be configured. Your manager gives you a special cable and tells you to use it to configure the switch. You access the iOS by using another intermediary device over a network connection. You call your manager to tell him you cannot access your router in another city over the internet. He provides you with the information to access the router through a telephone connection. So let's answer your console telnet /SSH AOX. So number 1, you are in the equipment room with a new switch that needs to be configured. So it's console. Your manager gives you a special cable and tells you to use it to configure the switch. Console. And you access the iOS by using another intermediary device over a network. So it's telnet. You call your manager to tell him you cannot access your router in another city over the internet. Provide you with the information to access the router through telephone connection. So it's AUX. So let's check it. Yeah, and it's all correct. So now let's proceed to the next activity. So this is not the activity, but this you will apply your skills here. So you learn from reading the chapter 2. So let's go 2.2, 2.2.5. So here you will configure password encryption. So these are the instructions. To encrypt passwords, use the service password encryption. So it's service password and encryption. So set exit global configuration mode and view the running configuration. So let's type exit. Set to use the show running command, use the show running config command to verify that the password are now encrypted. So let's type that show running. So as you can see, the password now is encrypted, and its purpose is not to easily hack your device. So and it's safe from the hammer. So yeah, it's all about that it's how to configure password in front. So let's switch to other skills application. So 2.2.2.5. So limit access to switch. Syntax checker, limiting access to a switch. Use the syntax checker in the figure to practice the command that limit access to a switch. Limit access to a switch. Encrypt all passwords. Secure the privileged access, exec access. Secure the console access. Secure the BTY access. Encrypt all passwords. So, service. Secure the privileged exec access with the password CLA55. So, enable secret CLA. So you secure the console line. Use the password Cisco. Allow login. Password Cisco. First login. Secure the first 16 BTY lines. Use the password Cisco. Allow login. So line BTY 0 space 15. Password Cisco. Then login. And now you have successfully limited access to the switch. So that's how to limit access to a switch. So now let's proceed to the next skill application, and so 2.3.2, 2.3.2.4. So configure a switch virtual interface. Syntax checker, configuring a switch virtual interface. Use the syntax checker in the figure to practice configuring a switch virtual interface. So interface configuration mode for VLAN 1. Configure the IP port address as 192.168.10.2 and the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. Enable the interface. So let's type the interface LAN 1 interface VLAN 1. So that IP address is 192.168.10.2. Subnet mask is 255.255.0. So enter. So let's type no shutdown. So here it's interface VLAN 1 change state to up. So switch config if, and you have to successfully configure the switch virtual interface for VLAN 1. So that's how to configure a switch virtual interface. And yeah, we're done answering the activities and skills application here in chapter 2. To summarize chapter 2, here it will help to teach and guide us to have understanding about the networking operating system. To know the Cisco IOS, and as a definition, the Cisco Internet Network Operating System (IOS) is a generic term for collection of network operating systems used by Cisco networking devices. Cisco iOS is used for most Cisco devices regardless of the type size. And here we also learn how to use the Pocket Tracer and do some basic device configuration like navigating the iOS, configure initial switch settings, and implementing basic configuration. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Till next time.